So, and your method for building up patient numbers, big use of social media, I imagine?
Yeah, but also systems and operations. I like things to be really, really organised and get processes in place so it's really easy for patients to book. Because sometimes it's really difficult. I'm on a lot of websites looking around at this and that, and it's like, how do I book? Oh, I have to send them an email. Really? Please don't make me fill in an email to book an appointment.
Yeah. I think it's a common theme with pretty much everybody who advises about marketing, isn't it? You've got to take away every obstacle that stands in the way of them actually getting what they're trying to buy. And in our case, that might be a treatment appointment. And I suppose in the middle of the night when you're racked with pain or something, the last thing you want is a lengthy email to write about what you want and still no idea of when your appointment's going to be. You just want to go on the website, put in the minimum details and know that tomorrow at 10 o'clock I'm going to see somebody who will hopefully help me.